Alright, so Apple recently released a new firmware update for the AirPods 4, and the firmware update that they released is called 7E93. And this is the first firmware update since November of 2024, which that firmware update was called 7B21. Now, Apple didn't state exactly what was in this firmware update. They only mentioned bug fixes and other improvements. Usually those fixes and improvements include connectivity, battery life, and also sound quality. And one thing to note, Apple has been beta testing this firmware update since January 2025. So this must have been a huge fix and improvement that they took so long to release this to the public. Now, some people have noticed no difference with the AirPods 4 in this update, while some people have noticed that their AirPods 4 have gotten worse. And also some people have also seen improvements and fixes with this update on their AirPods 4. Some people mentioned that it fixes a Find My issue with their AirPods where it shows that their Find My is not set up. Some people noticed that they have a better sound quality and better noise cancellation. Some people even mentioned that their AirPods 4 now have ANC, which is crazy because Apple literally separate the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation at a higher price versus the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So let me know down below in the comment section what your experience has been with this update. Also, if you're wondering which wallpaper I'm using right here, this is from my AirPods wallpaper pack. You guys can go ahead and check it out. A link will be down below in the description. It is actually free, but if you want to pay $1 or whatever, feel free to do that. It's linked down below in the comment section and also in the description. Now, if you're wondering how to update your AirPods 4, first I will check to make sure that it wasn't updated automatically already by going to the AirPods 4 settings. So just go to the AirPods 4 settings like this. Once you have it connected, go to the AirPods 4 settings and scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on version, and right here you should see the version number. As you can see, I already updated mine. Well, it already automatically update mine, so I don't need to worry. And right here you can see that this is the latest firmware version right here. But if you're not sure which version is the latest firmware version, I will go to this website right here, which will be linked in the description also, and right here you can see all the latest firmware versions that are out for the AirPods. But if for some reason your AirPods 4 is not up to date, I would go ahead and just check to make sure that your iPhone or whatever device you're connected to is on the latest software update. So just go to software update. Also notice that sometimes this search feature works, sometimes it doesn't. So right here you can see I'm on the latest software update, the latest iOS update, which is iOS 18.4, which came out sometime this week. So I'm on the latest, so that's why I was able to get the latest software update on the latest firmware update for the AirPods 4. So once you check that and you're on the latest software update on your device, next thing you want to do is just simply connect your AirPods 4 to your iPhone in this case. And once it's connected, go ahead and plug in your AirPods 4 to a charger and put your AirPods 4 AirPods inside the case and close the lid and just wait around 30 minutes or so and it will automatically update. If this doesn't work for you, I did a full video on how to update your AirPods 4. That will be linked down below in the description also. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos on the AirPods 4. I'm really excited to hear your experience with this new firmware update 7E93. So comment down below in the comment section and let me know what your experience has been. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.